What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash the subscribe button. I am here today with my 2008 Saab 9.5 that I rebuilt last year off of Copart. Actually, I rebuilt it twice, and now we are here trying to save it once again from the junkyard by getting a new key paired with this car, since the key was oddly thrown away. So in this video, we're gonna actually begin starting off taking out the twice unit, which lives underneath the driver's seat, and I had ordered already now a new unit with two key fobs programmed to it that is working. So hopefully when those get in, we just marry it to the car and we should be on our merry way. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright, so we're about to take apart this seat here. We're going to take it out. Actually, no, we're just going to unbolt it and then push it out of the way. But the car originally was unlocked when the key was lost, right? Which means it was never locked, which means there's a potential chance of maybe finding the key underneath the seat. I highly doubt it, but sometimes it's worth dreaming. Alright, let's hop into this.
Jeez, this is a job and a half.
Well, that's why I figured we'd start now. So by the time we get everything in, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And you just gotta remember how to put it back together in a week from now.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. This is sound deadening here.
Huh?
This stuff here, this is all sound deadening.
Oh, sweet and low.
There's the unit right there.
Nice.
So this, if I can do this properly,
I see the bolts on the side there.
One here.
Yep. Winner.
It's got one here. Oop.
Uh-oh. I heard that roll.
Doesn't go any far. Doesn't go far.
You find it? Kinda? Maybe.
Now, let me get some light. Okay. And there's the old unit. So,
Voila.
bam. And that should do it for now. I will leave everything in there for now, but that's how you guys remove the T7 twice unit. See, Saab matched set, and it gives all the information there. So unfortunately this thing is junk because you can't program any keys to it, but maybe it's good for somebody to reprogram. So if anybody knows anybody that reprograms these with new keys that maybe I can't do without equipment, just drop a link below. I'll send it to you. It's free of charge. Recycle it for the Saab world, and that should be it. So stay tuned. We gotta wait a whole week, I believe, to get the new unit in with new keys. But once it's in, all we gotta do is marry it to the car, switch out the internal guts of this key, since this has got the right key blade, and should be all set to go. See you guys. Alright guys, it is a couple days later here, and I was able to find and order a new twice unit that came with 2 programmed keys. So I've already gone ahead and put the internals into the new fresh key, which I'm leaving in the door for this moment. And over here is the unit. This is the new twice right here. And just to confirm, for you guys, visually, these are the same exact units. So I'm gonna put the old one away and reinstall this new one here. So I'm just gonna try to do it real quick and then see if we can marry this thing to the car and have her on our way. Hopefully, fingers crossed. All right, guys, just for the record, we have that in there, plugged in, nice and solid. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just reinstall the vent system here. Okay. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna put this carpet down and let's try and see if we can program the twice properly. So that's a start, guys. We just turned the key. And it's not gonna start yet because we gotta program it, but that's a good sign. All right, guys, so good news is the key is working on everything. Bad news is I don't have a Candai unit to pair the twice unit to the car. So that's where we're left off for this. Just so you guys know, we got everything back together. I'm gonna go and see if I can borrow a Candai unit from Saab shop. If not, I'm gonna have to go buy one. So thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna get this thing running. All right, guys, so before we actually end off this video, I decided to run over to Mike. Say what's up, Mike.
How you doing there today? Yep.
Greco Brothers Saab here in Boonton, New Jersey. He's actually gonna lend me real quick the Candai. He's doing me a huge favor. He doesn't typically do this, so don't expect any favors, but he's helping me out just because my car is stuck in the garage, and we're gonna borrow the Candai and hopefully marry that twice and be on our merry way. So if you guys are in the New York metro area and need any Saab work, this guy's the Saab doctor. He's the true doctor. Check out the collection of cars he has in here. Constantly doing some good work. So if you guys are in the area, like I said, shout out to Mike. Thanks for your help. All right, guys, so here's an update for you. Just so you all know, don't buy a Candai unit if you have a Chinese Tech 2, because Mike was kind enough to join me, and this is our second trip now because my unit wasn't working with the Candai unit. Is it Candai? Yeah, Candai unit. So now it's programming, so hopefully we can get our first start up on this before the battery dies. That's like the next thing, you know, like stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so we were about to start it up for the first time. The battery died, of course. We were like right there, and then it's Saab-tastic, right, Mike?
Yeah.
That's how the cookie would crumble, right?
Wherever could go wrong will go wrong.
Yeah, exactly. And then for some reason this isn't popping, which tells me that there is an electronic wire that's probably messed up on that harness there. We're gonna program your key. Say hello.
Hi.
And we're gonna try to get it. We're gonna get it to chirp too. This is Nicole.
I get the chirp back?
Yeah, he's got the real McCoy.
That's what I wanted.
He's got the real Tech 2. Yeah, she was jealous of everybody's Saab chirps.
I mean, that's the only reason I wanted the Saab, the chirp.
Is the Saab chirp?
No, I mean.
Yeah, no, you're right. When I leave, we'll drive this so we can charge the battery. Does that work? Is that okay with you? I'll bring it back tonight. Cool? Nicole?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. Can she start? Oh, we got a Saab! Mike! Good job, Mike. Oh man, that's beautiful. What's the rear light? Let me look at that.
It's a miracle.
Oh, you have a light out. Cool. I have bulbs laying around, so it should be fine. You can do the programming on the chirp, right?
Yeah, I think. Go to the
Alright, so we have a great success here. Thanks, Mike.
Yeah.
We're actually gonna go. I gotta owe him a couple cases of beer here after all this time.
He drove me to drink. It's the only thing I'm indebted to him for.
So we got the battery charging. We're driving it, and we're good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we're enjoying right now. So stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Talk to you. All right, guys. Cheers.
All right.
To good Saab help.
Successful job deserves a cold brew.
That's it. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, like, share, subscribe. Follow me at Pancis. And if you guys are in the New York, Jersey metro area, this is the man to come see if you guys have some Saab problems. See you guys.